Hey everyone, how's it going? Abdelhad Shaqfaz here with you from Powertrain. Minivans used to be something you bought because you had to, but Kia turned that narrative on its head. With the Carnival multi-purpose vehicle, for 2027, Kia isn't resting on its laurels. They are making some crucial updates based directly on owners' feedback. From expanding hybrid availability across lower trims to standardizing advanced semi-autonomous driver assist. Here is your in-depth breakdown of everything new on the 2027 Kia Carnival. Let me start with the big news under the hood: the trim accessibility for the hybrid setup. Previously, getting into a hybrid Carnival meant stepping up into higher price brackets. For 2027, Kia introduces the LX HEV trim, bringing that turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain down to an entry-level trim. It uses a 54-kilowatt electric motor mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you instant torque off the line and solid fuel economy without sacrificing passenger space. Step inside, and Kia's opposite United interior philosophy continues to deliver one of the cleanest cabins in its segment. But for 2027, they tweaked crucial touchpoints. First, the revised steering wheel. A subtle redesign of the driver's steering wheel improves grip and access to control buttons. The second, switchable climate media control panel. The sleek dual-function touch bar under the infotainment screen allows seamless switching between climate settings and media navigation with a single touch. The third, the multi-zone voice control. The system now pinpoints who is speaking in the cabin. If a passenger in row 2 asks to lower the temperature, the car adjusts only their zone. The fourth, they listen to customer tweaks. Here's a proof Kia listens. The cup holders were downsized from XL to size L based on feedback that cans and standard water bottles were wobbling around. Kia's active safety stack was already strong, but the 2027 elevates key features to standard equipment across the entire lineup. The lane following assist, LFA2, now standard on every 2027 Kia Carnival, using updated camera sensors for redefined centering in high wind or curved lane scenarios. The hands-on detection, now standard across all trims, it uses capacitive sensors on the steering wheel instead of torque sensors, so simply resting your hand on the wheel confirms you are attentive. The highway driving assist 2, standard on higher trims like the SX, SX Plus, incorporating automated lane changes and evasive steering support during intersection crossing risks. On the exterior, the SUV-inspired stance remains intact with a vertical headlight arrangement and wide grille. If you want a stealthy appearance, the Dark Edition returns on top trims. It has a darkened skid plates, C-pillar garnish, roof rails, side mirror caps, and blacked-out alloy wheels. The VIB lounge seating, SX Plus. It has second-row power reclining captain's chairs with leg rests, heating, ventilation, and one-touch relaxation mode. The 2027 Kia Carnival isn't a totally ground-up redesign. It didn't need to be. Instead, Kia took an already top-tier family haul vehicle and polished the exact areas buyers cared about, lowering the entry bar for the hybrid powertrain with the LX HEV, standardizing critical ADAS features, and refining interior usability. If you want SUV aesthetics with maximum interior versatility and hybrid efficiency, the 2027 Carnival remains arguably the benchmark in the segment. And with the end, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you won't miss any update from Powertrain. Thanks indeed for watching, and see you in the next one.